Yo, what's going on, my prophets? Your boy Cali here with a quick video. I'm gonna try to keep this short. I'm gonna just break it down for you guys real quick. I mean, today we had a crazy day. I literally woke up to my phone ringing, fucking like 1,000 messages in the group, and my DM from all my accounts blowing up. And why? Because Bitcoin, guys. Bitcoin did some crazy shit today, right? Or we think it's crazy. And that's what I want to get into is volatility. Guys, this is the beginning. You know how people were swing trading and day trading back in the days? Get ready for it in the crypto space. As more people get involved and more traders and more stuff become real traders, we're going to see these big volatile swings, especially in top coins. So let's just come in here real quick, right? Let's look at the market cap. So, guys, we're at $433 billion. Okay. BTC dominance today is 65%. 65%. Um, God, let me see if I can get a real quick high and low 24-hour of BTC. So today, let me see, what did it do? So it went from 14, according to this, it went from 14,720 all the way up to, I don't like that, but yeah, so we had like a $4,000 swing, I guess, and that's what I want to get to, right? So as more money gets pumped into this market, we're gonna see, $2,500, $2,000 swings, um, like nothing, because what happens is as more money comes in, you know, a thousand, a million, $10 million ain't nothing. We start seeing $1 billion swings in market cap. Um, I'm gonna just break it down. So when you look at this just naked price action chart, I'll blow it up real quick for you guys. If you notice, look at the small little volatility. You're talking about even on these heavy trading days, right? I mean, you see this. So it goes from 1260 to 1129. Guys, that's an $80 swing. And compared to the rest of it, that's a big swing. Even this, let's look at this one. This one goes from 950 to 1350. Okay, so $400 swings. And this was in March of this year. So March of this year, there was a $400 swing, and people were like, "Holy shit, that's a big swing, right?" But as we progress and go down, even now we're in May, we go from 22 to 28. But you see how big these bars are getting, right? It's more volatile. We go from 2460 to 3000. So now it's becoming a more normal thing. Now we start seeing real play, right? 2250 to 29. Okay, so we're going up $100 here, and this keeps going, right? To the point where now we're at 4780, $600 trades, and the swings keep getting bigger. Swings keep getting bigger. Swings keep getting bigger. So that's what I'm trying to tell you guys. These bars are only going to get bigger as the volume increases and the volatility increases. The swings are going to be a lot bigger. I mean, this is so. Let's go back. Today's the 8th. So we're looking at a 1-day chart, guys. Just FYI. So let's go back a month. A month ago, we were at 70. 300 in Bitcoin. I just posted this on Instagram. I posted in July 9th. I posted on my personal page and I told people, hey, hit me up about Bitcoin. This thing's the shit, right? 4 people like my pages, guys. I have like on my personal page, I have about 400 friends and family. 4 people like my fucking post. 4 people. Guess how many people fucking called me today? It was more than 4. So that's what I'm trying to tell you is this is just the beginning as we see these pullbacks, corrections, and these swings, and people are gonna make a shitload of money. And I want to just show you real quick, right, what big market cap or volatility does. And we're gonna use people's personal wealth. The more you are, the more you gain. And this is just so you understand. Um, the more money you have in the market, guys. So if you have $1,000 and your portfolio drops 10%, it's $100, right? So let's get into the actual percentages and not so much the money, because what happens is as you start putting more money into crypto and you're like, oh shit, I did a $10,000 swing, but you have $100,000, it's still 10%. Let me just show you this real quick. Jeff Bezos, guys, right? In one day lost $3.3 billion. In one day, just because his stocks fell. Um, it's insane when you get to a place where you can lose $3.3 billion, right? But look at this. Mark Zuckerberg in one day lost $3 billion. And that's what I'm trying to tell you. Once the volatility gets there in crypto, and your portfolio starts growing over time, right? Because like I said, a Bitcoin was $2,500 when I posted, and no one wanted to get with it. But now that it's $16,000, people are trying to hit me up and come get in the group or whatnot, and that's what I'm telling you. Especially with the futures market coming in and big institution coming in, like there's already institution money in the game, guys. If you think there's not, yeah, there's money in here already, man. And that's the pump and dumps and the manipulation. And that's why eventually I see the government regulating or stepping in and trying to regulate. But that's what I want to tell you guys. Don't be scared by these big swings. It's gonna happen. Um, just know that it's gonna happen. It's gonna pull back. It's gonna go. Nothing can run parabolic forever. But we could stay at an uptrend for a long time, right? So that's where it broke out to, right? So if we just draw this out, let's go here real quick. I'm gonna just make a quick. So we should be at about 18,000 roughly, I think, by the end of the year. So that means in between there and here, this is gonna be bouncing, you know, here it's gonna go higher, obviously higher highs, lower highs. So I think we're gonna keep running along this line roughly. But guys, let's just be realistic. The more money there's getting pumped into the market, the bigger swings, the more chance you have to make money. Just make smart decisions. If you guys need help, we have a group. It's expanding. It's more and more smart people are coming into the group and helping us learn from each other and trade as a mastermind group and making some awesome calls. Most people didn't lose too much in the group because we've been making calls that are correlating with the market, which allows us to make money. Okay, so hit us up on Facebook. Check out our page, profitchasers.com. Check out the link below. Guys, if you want to trade Binance to get some coins, there's links below. If you want to get into Bitconnect, there's a link below. We do everything crypto, guys. Let us know. For now, peace out. It's your boy Cal.